Hello everyone. Today I have come with another short write-up, that is notice writing, which is also easy and simple as message we discussed in the earlier video. So we can see the content. First one, we are going to discuss about what is a notice. Next, main features that should be used while writing a notice. Third, word limit and marking scheme. Fourth, format, and next, sample question. So firstly, we have to see what is a notice. If we talk about the definition says a notice is mean to give information to people in printed form. A notice helps in giving information to people in a large number without giving individually. That means when you want to circulate information to a large number of people, you will use notice writing. That is the data in the printed form which is given to the mass, means to say a group of people in a large number, not individually. Now let's see the main features that should be used while writing a notice so that a notice can be written effectively. First one, it should have a catchy heading. That means the heading in the notice should be catchy so that a reader can be attracted. Next, information should not be repeated. You cannot use the same information again and again. Third, it should be enclosed in a box. A box should be there. It is mandatory to keep the notice in a box. Next, use a pencil to draw a box. Box should be drawn by using the pencil. Next, all the available information in the question should be used. That means the information provided in the question should be used effectively. Follow what, why, when, where. All WS should be answered. What, that means the occasion. Why the message is going to be written. When, the venue. Date, where, the place. Purpose should be clear. That means the purpose why we are writing the notice should be clear so that it can be known to the reader that the occasion or purpose for writing the notice. Now here we will discuss word limit. Word limit will be 50 words, that is as same as message. It should not exceed 50 words. Marking scheme. Notice is of 4 marks, 1 mark for format, 2 marks for content and 1 mark for expression. Now we will see the format of the notice writing. Firstly, we will create a box by using pencil. Then we will mention the first line. Name of the issuing authority with city, means to say name of the organization who is organizing an event. Next line you will mention the notice in capital letters. Cross represent the lines to be leaved. So now we will leave the line after writing notice. Then mention the date of issuing. In next line you will mention the heading, that should be catchy. You can highlight it or mention in capital letters. Then in the body, all three things have to be answered effectively: venue, date and time. After completing the body, we will write the name, signature and designation of the authorized person who is writing the message, notice. As you can see that it can be used to organize any sport event, a cultural event, a meeting, social cause, excursion. That means to say notice can be used everywhere, in a school, in an organization, in an office, in a society, or anywhere where we want to organize any purpose, any cause, any event. Now here is the sample question of our notice writing. Question is this: you are Rohit, head boy of sports club of your school, ABC Public School, Dehradun. Your school is organizing a sport meet for 4 days, so write a notice asking the students to give their names for participating. The question says that you are Rohit, head boy of your school, and your school name is ABC Public School and it is in Dehradun. So your school is planning to organize a sport meet for 4 days, and it is authorized to you that you have to write a notice for school students so that they can be aware about this information and can give their names for participating. Now see how to write the notice about this. Firstly, we will create a box by using pencil. Mention the school name, ABC School, comma, city Dehradun. Then in the next line I have mentioned notice in capital letters. Then leave one line, mention the date of issuing the notice, 23rd March, 2020. Sports meet is the heading and it should be in capital letter, or you can highlight this. After leaving one line, this is the main body of the notice you can use in every type of the notice. This is to inform you that our school is going to organize a sport meet in our school playground for 4 days. Date will be notified soon, as date is not given in the question, so we can write like this. Interested students can give their names to their respective class teachers. For more information, contact to undersigned by. That means the information provided in the notice is sufficient. If you want more information, you can contact to the undersigned by, that is Rohit. In the last, Rohit, head boy, sports club, and the signature of the Rohit. I hope everything is clear. If there is any doubt regarding any point, you can write it in the comment. And if you like the way I have told you to write the notice writing, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.